In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to link to a website, another slide, a file, or an email address, and how to test and adjust those links so they work smoothly during your presentation. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and going to the slide where you want your hyperlink. Decide what you want the audience to click. It can be a piece of text or an object like an image, a shape, or an icon. Highlight the text or click once to select the object so PowerPoint knows exactly what you're turning into a link. Next, open the Hyperlink tool. You can do this on the ribbon by selecting the Insert tab, then clicking Link or Hyperlink. If you prefer, right-click the selected text or object and choose Link or Hyperlink from the menu. Either approach opens the same dialog box where you'll set up the destination. Now choose the type of link. To send viewers to a website, select existing file or web page and enter the full URL in the address box. Make sure you include the proper prefix so the link opens correctly. To jump to another part of your presentation, choose Place in this document and pick the exact slide from the list. This is great for table of contents, slides, or interactive menus. To open a file, select Existing File or Web Page and browse to the file you want. If you'll share the deck, keep that file in the same folder as the presentation so the link doesn't break when moved. To create an email link, choose Email Address, then enter the address and an optional subject line. When clicked, it will open the viewer's default mail app with a new message ready to go. Once you've set the destination, click OK. Your selection is now clickable. Text links may show an underline or color change. You can adjust formatting afterwards without removing the link. Always test your hyperlink before presenting. Start slideshow mode and click the link to confirm it goes to the right place. Check that websites load, files open quickly, and slide jumps land exactly where you want. If internet access is required, verify your connection in advance. If you need to adjust or delete a link, right-click the linked text or object. Choose Edit Hyperlink to update it, or remove Hyperlink to clear it while keeping your original text or object intact. Hyperlinks are great for navigating between slides, opening websites or files, and making your presentations interactive. For an even more dynamic experience, combine hyperlinks with action buttons. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.